Ginger, a root plant native to Southeast Asia, is valued worldwide for its medicinal and culinary properties. It contains various bioactive compounds, with gingerol being the most significant, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Additionally, it is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, B6, magnesium, copper, and manganese. Ginger offers a wide range of health benefits. It is well known for its ability to alleviate nausea and vomiting, making it particularly useful for pregnant women experiencing morning sickness and for patients undergoing chemotherapy. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help reduce pain and stiffness in the joints, benefiting those with osteoarthritis. The antioxidant effects of ginger also support immune health and can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that ginger may have positive effects on blood sugar levels and heart health, although more research is needed. However, ginger can also have its downsides. Consuming large amounts of ginger can cause digestive issues such as heartburn, diarrhea, or mouth irritation. Some people may be allergic to ginger, leading to rashes or breathing difficulties. It is also important to be cautious when using ginger in combination with blood-thinning medications, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. In the kitchen, ginger is incredibly versatile. Fresh ginger is commonly used in Asian recipes such as stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Grated ginger can be added to teas and beverages for a refreshing and medicinal effect. Dried or ground ginger is used in baking, especially in making gingerbread, cookies, and cakes. Ginger paste and pickled ginger are also popular in sushi and other Japanese dishes. Thus, ginger is not only a tasty and aromatic ingredient in the kitchen, but also a valuable tool in natural medicine. Its proper and moderate use can bring many health benefits and enrich your culinary experiences.